Sedona, Arizona is one of the most beautiful and unique places in the world. Nestled into the Rocky Mountain foothills known as the Schnebly Hill Formation, the Red Rock Mountains surrounding Sedona should be on everyone's bucket list. The Broken Arrow Trail is part of the OHV trail system surrounding the city and definitely worth the drive for wheeling enthusiasts.
The Broken Arrow Trail in Sedona is easily the most scenic trail I've ever been on in my life. While it's not a super technical trail, it does have its moments with the Devil's Staircase and a few other points in between. While the Red Rock Mountains around the trail are awe-inspiring, don't take your eyes off the road. It could spell disaster. So get out and see this trail and more in Sedona. Remember, get out and explore. Please mash that like and subscribe. All right, Fat Guys fans, where I am standing is called Submarine Rock. It's a little bit of a hike up here, that's why I'm breathing hard. It's really beautiful. I guess it gets its name because when you see it from a distance, it's kind of like a submarine rising out of the ocean. 360 views are incredible. So anyway, if you're in Sedona, you need to check it out. Well, as we're standing on top of Submarine Rock, you can see the little pink Jeep tours over there going down the hill. Right about there is Mushroom Rock, and that's what we'll be going around here after a while. It's a pretty cool place. Then Devil's Staircase is pretty close to where that Jeep is about to go down. Not just yet. There's still some little ways to go for it. Well, it might be going down it right there. I don't know. I don't think it's going quite down it just yet. Anyway, we'll be over there a little bit shortly, so stay tuned. Some of this isn't a lot different than driving through the trees in Arkansas.
No. At least they've been trimmed back at least.
Yeah.
I think there'd be less scraping.
Not pinstriping the crap out of you.
Rabbit.
Big old rabbit. That thing's fat. Well, guys, I showed you the view over here from Submarine Rock. Now here we are at Mushroom Rock, looking back towards Submarine Rock. Pretty cool. Fat Guys fans, I filmed this yesterday when Cheryl and I came up here, but the sun was in a different spot. It didn't really shine on these mountains the way you're seeing right now. So this is the early morning sun. It's about, what is it, about 9 o'clock?
8:30.
8:30, Sedona time. It's beautiful. I've said it a few times already, I'll say it again. Number one, get out and explore. Number two, when you get out and explore, come visit Sedona. It's incredible.
Language warning. big whitey mighty. A little bit too long for this one.
Yeah, I don't think.
Oh, by the way, Lori, I canceled my insurance policy, so
You're out of luck.
And now, Trail Wisdom with Shawn.
Trail Wisdom by Shawn. Eat whatever you want. Someone calls you fat, eat them too. Trail Wisdom by Shawn.
Coming soon only on Two Fat Guys Adventure Channel, Schnebly Hill Trail and the Van Deeren Cabin Trail. In 2 weeks, the Grand Canyon and Monument Valley. Stay tuned.